assist for 720 East Calaveras, 2439 Lincoln Avenue, apartment 204, and the garage, repeat, I just got 397.
Copy, the garage fire was 397 East Poppy Fields Drive.
397 East Poppy Field Drive, Roger, Captain.
Hey, operations from Division Zulu, I copied those addresses on Calaveras and Lincoln. I'll handle.
Yeah, copy that, Zulu, appreciate it.
Task Force 15, Engine 39. Operations from Engine 34 on P3. Yeah, we got some fire in the main building. We're trying to. Yeah, two civilians we evacuated off of Bel Air. Where is the civilian shelter, or should we take them to JPL?
Yeah, stand by 1, break, off of IC operations. IC operations, man.
Eden ICLA. Eden ICLA on command.
Authorized, Juliet.
IC.
Juliet for operations.
Eden IT, can you landline LA for some updates?
Off by company driving by. Any way we can get a vehicle up to the big office on the place, just reconnect with that.
Yeah, go Chris.
Operations LA with a house fire.
Okay, we're going to Wall LA, stand by.
Operations LA, report of a porch fire, Scripps Place, Mariposa.
Task Force 16, from engine 135.
On B3.
LA, repeat for operations.
Copy. 45 and 7, 90 minutes, ETA break, slow down, did you copy it? Just to slow down, I copy. Place in Mariposa Street, and multiple houses on fire, 2675 Highview Avenue.
Operations from LA, got reports of a porch fire, Scripps Place in Mariposa Street, and multiple houses on fire, 2675 Highview Avenue.
Copy. Hey, 2B, I need a par from all your crews. A2, 2B, copy.
Yeah, LA from operations, copy that. Porch on Scripps, Mariposa, 2675 Highview.
Can you meet us in Altadena in New York? We need to get our engineers on the flush.
Spot 19. Go for spot 19, in 61. In New York.
Spot 19 for 61. Can you meet us in New York? We need to get our engineer's eyes flushed. He's got something in his eyes, got an injury.
Copy that, I'll see you in New York. We're on our way. Yeah, I need this thing 100% mopped up, so I want you to go ahead and make your way in. We need to work on that drainage there where the railroad tracks are running alongside Irwindale, so I need all that stuff mopped up. Copy that.
Operations from LA, got all reports, vehicle fire, Woodbury Road, Las Robas Avenue, and possible structure at 113 Figueroa.
Branch 7 from operations on command. Yeah, operations copies that last.
Go ahead, Sierra from branch.
Copy that.
confirm I'm already on it. I have Safety 3 assigned in Sierra is going to handle that. Copy.
All of IC Soup 21 on command. Myself, Squad 32 or UTL on that new start up Fish Canyon. Okay, Soup 21, I copy that. You guys are UTL break. LA from all of IC. The potential start up Fish Canyon is a false alarm.
All of IC, copy.
Yeah, I have power lines down. Any operations here? 2 on command. Go ahead, Sierra. Yeah, I have power lines down at 21415 PCH. So impending access. Can you give that SNL ASAP?
Operation LA.
21415 PCH. Runners down. Stand by for operation.
Evacuating on that one. Roof on fire at Franklin Elementary, which is 527 West Ventura, and the car wash is on fire, Fair Oaks and Woodbury.
Elliot, go ahead and repeat that high view address with the right priority.
Operation Faking lost you broken.
Yeah, repeat the address on high view with the right priority. Hey, 82, where you at?
2675 Highview Avenue. Apparently a ham radio operator here, someone needing help there.
Charlie from all of IC command. 2 Charlie. Hey, those 2 resources working at a golf course spot. How long are they going to be there for, you think? I'd give them another 15. Okay, copy that. A report of a structure fire with an elderly lady trapped inside. 768 Highland. 768 Highland. Copy that. 768 Highland. Structure impacted with personnel inside.
Operations LA with more fire.
LA, stand by for operations.
Operations, we have a structure fire, 2319 Fair Oaks Avenue. House on fire, Garfield, cross of Calaveras. Another back house fire, 1019 East New York Drive. And then fire by the cemetery, Metro Church, Fair Oaks, cross of Mountain View. And then tree fire, 930 East Woodbury Road.
Okay, I copy those 4. Just repeat the second one you gave me after 2315 Fair Oaks Avenue.
We had 3075 Fair Oaks Avenue, and then a back house fire, 1019 East New York Drive.
Yeah, Ops copies all that. Great. Division Zulu Operations Command.
Operations LA.
LA, stand by. Hey, copy, how you doing? Memorial Avenue and the on-ramp to the 210 West.
64's engine 184 by voice, 430 West Palm Drive. Acknowledge.
That's 13, those getting led by Battalion 91. You guys up on P3?
Call 3075, just want to confirm that your patient is in the garage, needs help evacuating there.
LA, go for operations.
Operations for that call 3075, just want to confirm that your patient is in the garage, needs help evacuating there.
Yeah, you put that was 3075 Fair Oaks Avenue, correct?
Affirmative. And then also preschool is on fire at Santa Rosa and Palm, and then a house/tree fire 2667 Highview.
Yeah, I copy. I got the last two in priority with Fair Oaks Avenue. Break, Division 2 operations. You copy that 3075 Fair Oaks Avenue? Say it one more time, 3005? 3075 Fair Oaks Avenue. Assist person in the garage evacuating. Copy 3075 Fair Oaks. Done on the on-ramp to the... And you're just in that tactical patrol now? Yeah, I affirm. I have two of the engines off 1870 Charlie, the leader, just the crew from 8134, and all the camp personnel. Okay, roger that, and then I'll be on the horn here, and I'm headed to Zuma for pre-ops, okay, pal? Yeah, affirm. Hey, I think the soups that are here were supposed to be somewhat on the plan. Obviously, they won't make it there. And just for the fire, it came over camp, went into that canyon to the southwest, and kept going. So it's probably touched the Franklin by now. Yeah, affirmative. I was keeping pace with it along PCH, and we really lost a lot of steam as it extended to the west, so I concur. Yeah, I don't know when I'll be able to get you an assessment of Saddle Ridge and Payuma. Copy, 808 Sacramento Street, law enforcement on scene. Yeah,
Operations LA, house fire 454 Mariposa Street. 2 people stuck in the house, cannot get outside.
Yeah, repeat the numbers on Mariposa.
454.
454 Mariposa Street, same as Sacramento Street, assistance evacuating. The operations from Zulu, is that Sacramento, is it east or west? Yeah, LA, can you validate on 808 Sacramento Street if that's east or west?
Not sure about the Sacramento, but Mariposa will be West Mariposa. And then we have another one, 156 West Terrace Street. 2 people stuck in the house, cannot evacuate.
156 West Terrace Street. Break, Division 2, yeah, unknown, either here to couldn't validate east or west Sacramento. Okay, due to the location, I'm going to guess east. Command from Task Force 33. Go for it, Task Force 33 is currently at 2212 El Molino We have evacuation in progress of a 4-story convalescent home. We have 5 engines committed to this, and sheriffs. We have at least 200 people inside with buses en route. We're going to need spare units if you have anybody to help with the evac.
I see, copy. 2212 Molino, evacuation progress of a 4-story convalescent. 200 plus parties with 5 engine companies on scene.
That's a firm. Additionally, we just had somebody come up with a window. 856 Alameda, apartment number 2, elderly person trapped, needing rescue, heavy fire in the area.
Copy, 856 Alameda, apartment 2. AIT operations command.
Good.
Yeah, so we get with laws, if there's a way we can set up a system to have them assist. We're just, the fire isn't impacting the structure yet. There just needs assistance, getting the personnel out of the structure.
20556 Benton Drive, Betton.
Yeah, multiple people trapped at 20556 Benton, Betton.
Operation, that's for me.
Tom, away from branch 7, coming up on that is, station jurisdiction is that? Tom, you task force 33.
Checking on it.
You identify the task force 3 or task force 33? Task force 7 from, operations, I copy, you've got the 20556 task force 33 operation. EMSG confirming you're on El Molino at a 4-story convalescent hospital, evacuation in progress.
69, District 69.
I'll confirm the location.
Yes, I repeat.
And the number.
Yeah, I copy that. So, we have resources that's all up in that area that we're having, trouble getting to. Task Force 33, what is your location and need?
We're at 7, copy.
2212 Al Molino at a convalescent home, and we need as many engines as we can for evacuation. Approximately 400 patients evacuated to buses. 250 patients.
Task Force 41, go for ops.
Ops from 41, if we
We have limited resources to, either buses
down
or fire
across
resources. 454 West Mariposa Street.
Okay, we already got that one from you, and we got a task force working on it.
Okay, appreciate that.
Operations LA with a report for you.
Yeah, LA standby 1 for ops.
Zulu from Alpha, command. Go for Zulu. Sounds like you need resources. I can spare a strike team. However, it is short 1 engine. You need it.
Ops from Investigator 1, that 808 Sacramento, there's nobody at that address anyway. You clear, man.
Copy that. 808 Sacramento, clear.
Alright, that's the operation.
Operations 3075 Fair Oaks is still coming back. 3 people trapped inside the house.
Copy that, 3075, still in need of assistance. Division Zulu, operations, you copy that last?
OIC, command.
Division Zulu from operations.
Go for Zulu. I have a reported person's trap at 325 East Calaveras. Copy, 325 East Calaveras. I see from Ops, go ahead with that address. Ops from IC, structure fire person's trapped 3075 North Fair Oaks. 3075 North Fair Oaks. Hey, operations from Division Zulu, we've taken 2 tries to get into that area. It's impassable right now, too much fire. It is on our radar. Copy that, thank you.
Someone asked about on McNally with people trapped with 2782 McNally.
Safety 16, copy 2782. Branch 7, Eden IC on command.